Hello designers. Do you want to make your design stand out? Every designer wants to do that, right? Wants to create unique, good designs. But making this stand out, make these designs stand out in today's competitive environment requires a blend of creativity, strategy, and technical skills. So I'm going to share 10 tips with you that can help you elevate your design. The first is understand your audience. Yes, this is one of the most important things. The first thing what you should do is you should try and understand your audience, who your audience are, what their needs are, what their preferences are, what their challenges are. Because without knowing this, you'll not be able to create designs that can add any value in their life. So research about your audience, understand your audience. Next, embrace uniqueness. Don't try to just copy experiences, designs, flows from other applications and products. I know mental models, understanding the existing patterns is important, but embrace uniqueness. Try to experiment, try to find some new way of solving the same problem or the existing problem. Fine? So you can do that in so many different ways. Through layout, through experience, through interaction design. Fine? This is important because it will help you grab attention of the user. Next is typography. Typography also plays a very important role because it can profoundly impact the effectiveness of your design. So you should experiment with typefaces, hierarchy, different font weight, spacing, and all these things can be used to improve readability and aesthetics. Color. Yes, the color also plays an important role. This is an important element which can be used to convey different messages because color has its meaning. Color has meaning. Fine. So colors evoke emotions and they communicate messages. So choose a color that aligns with the message you want to convey and also use proper contrast to highlight that. Next is use high quality images. So visuals can either make your designs or break your designs. So it's important again to use high quality relevant images, and also you can consider illustrations, but make sure they are of high quality and these illustrations or images should be able to connect personally with the end users. Then we have hierarchy. Hierarchy helps you structure your content, structure the information. So organize your information using visual hierarchy to guide the users, to guide the users across the design. And you can do that in so many different ways by using so many different elements like the size, the color, fine, and also the placement of the element in the design. So all these things can be used to structure your design and set the right hierarchy. Next is the golden rule, and that is keep your things simple, keep your design simple. Because clutter can overwhelm your audience. So practice resistance by focusing on the essential elements and try to leave a lot of white space for a clean and uncluttered look. Then what you should do is you should be consistent in your design. Don't break the rules. Once you have created the rules, once you have created guidelines, follow those across the product. So ensure consistency across all elements of your design, including fonts, colors, and style. Why? Because consistency reinforces your brand and improves the overall cohesiveness of your work. Next is interactivity, interaction design. So you should innovate with interactivity. So when you're designing, consider adding interactive elements like animation, hover effects, or scroll trigger changes to ensure users and or engage users and make your design stand out. Last, iterate and get feedback. We know that, right? I mean, the design is an iterative process. So don't be afraid to make changes based on feedback from peers, senior designers, or your target audience. Fresh perspective can reveal new opportunities for improvement. So, implement these strategies, but do remember, this implementation of these strategies requires a blend of creativity, strategic thinking, and ongoing learning. So, keep experimenting, use a mix of these to make your design stand out.